Hey y'all, Nico here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for joining me. I'm Nico. Today's video is day 15 of the RRR challenge, and we are on our rebuild day, and we are doing a balance practice. So if you know that you can be a bit shaky when it comes to balance, I want to recommend that you get near a wall or that you have a chair somewhere near you for support as well, and that'll just help you modify the poses to better fit your needs. So let's go ahead and get started in a comfortable seated position. We're going to do this healing hands type of situation just to help symbolize that balance. So all I want you to do is place one palm upward, kind of near your belly. Place the other palm downward. Close your eyes or lower your gaze to the floor. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Take another deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Take one more deep inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Good. Come back to the natural breath. Switch the hands, so bring your opposite hand, palm facing upward near the belly, other one facing downward near the chest. And try to find that steady breath to use throughout the practice, in and out of your nose if you can. We'll take an inhale here. Exhale, release the hands. Come up to hands and knees. Let's do Marjaryasana and Bidalasana, cat-cow. So our hands are underneath our shoulders, our knees are underneath the hips. Take an inhale, arch the spine, lift the chin, flip the tailbone up and away. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the tailbone under, bring your chin down to your chest. Good. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Good, couple more rounds. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Come back to a neutral spine. Let's make our way to down dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Tucking the toes under, lifting the hips up and back. Pressing the chest towards the thighs, heels towards the ground. Nice flat back here if you can. You can pedal your feet out a little bit if you like. By the way, if you like this outfit, it'll be on my Amazon storefront, linked down below. But just be careful with these outfits that have the things that go over your thumbs, because they kind of make it slippery. So you might want to remove them if it's difficult for you to keep your grip here. Now from here, we'll take an inhale, extend that right leg back. Exhale, step the foot up in between the hands. We're going to stay up on the back toe as we sweep the arms up for Ashtachandrasana, high lunge. I'm just going to scoot back a bit so I have some room. Good. Right knee aligned over the ankle here. Take an inhale. Exhale, keep those arms extended up. Shift your weight into your right foot. Bring that left knee up to the chest, towards the chest for standing wind relief pose. Good. Inhale here. Exhale, bring the hands to heart center. Start to extend this left leg back. Come into warrior three. So we're trying to bring our body parallel to the floor. This is when you can let your hands rest on a chair if you need to, or you can rest your hands somewhere on the wall to help you balance. Now, something that'll help you balance is finding a focal point somewhere in front of you. That's called your jishti. So find your jishti, find a point to focus on. Good, take an inhale. Exhale, we'll lower the right hand down on the pinky toe side of our right foot and extend the left arm up for half moon. Flex this left foot. Now this is a difficult pose, so rest your right hand on the chair if you need to, or you can be more upright. So you could kind of just not lifting your foot up as much. Try to see if you can open your body up to face the left. Take an inhale. Exhale, lower everything down, come to forward fold Uttanasana. Good. Inhale, come up for a half lift, place the hands on the shins. Exhale, bend the knees, plant the hands in front of the feet. Step or jump back to plank, Palakasana. And we'll move through a vinyasa. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga, lowering down halfway or all the way. Inhale, cobra up dog. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, down dog. Take some breaths here. Take an inhale now. Extend this left leg back. Exhale, step it up in between the hands, left knee aligned over the ankle, staying up on the back toe if you can. Reach those arms up for high lunge, Ashtachandrasana. Take an inhale. Exhale, shift your weight into this left foot. Right knee comes up towards the chest for standing wind relief pose. Find your jishti to help you balance. Inhale. Exhale, hands come to heart center. Start to extend that right leg back. Flex the foot. Bring your body parallel to the ground if you can. Good. For our Virabhadrasana 3, Warrior 3. Inhale. Exhale, left hand comes down on the pinky toe side of the left foot. Right arm extends up. If you really want to challenge your balance, look up towards that right thumb. Okay, inhale. Exhale, lower everything down. Come to Uttanasana, forward fold. Good. Inhale, come up for a half lift. Place the hands on the shins. Exhale, plant the hands in front of the feet. Step or jump back to plank. Full plank or modified plank. We'll move through our vinyasa. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra up dog. Exhale, down dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take some breaths here. Drop down to the knees and come to child's pose if you need a break. From here, we'll take an inhale, extend the right leg back again. Exhale, step the right foot up in between the hands. Right knee aligned over the ankle. We'll come back to Ashtachandrasana. High lunge. On that back toe, arms extended up. Now from here, we're gonna make our way to eagle pose, Garudasana. So shift your weight into that right foot, keep a bend. Cross that left leg over, either just once, or you can let those left toes come around to the right, to the left side of the shin. So kind of wrapping around twice. Extend those arms in front. Left elbow comes underneath the right elbow, and we'll bend both arms, letting the back of the hands face each other, or bringing the palms around to face each other. If that doesn't work for you, just grab the shoulders. Now lift the elbows, press those hands away, shoulders down. Good. Take an inhale. Exhale. Release, sweep the arms up. Inhale. Exhale. Come down to Uttanasana, forward fold. Eagle pose is difficult. Inhale, come up for a half lift. Exhale, plant the hands down in front of the feet. Step or jump back to plank or Mudra Vinyasa. Inhale, plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra Up Dog. Exhale, Down Dog. Good. Take some breaths here. And we'll take an inhale, extend that left leg back. Exhale, step it up in between the hands. Left knee aligned over the ankle, we're on the back toe. Come up for Ashtachandrasana, high lunge. We'll take an inhale. Exhale, shift your weight into the left foot. Right leg crosses over the left once, or wrapping it around again if you're able to. It's a little bit more difficult for me on this side. Bring your arms in front. Right elbow comes underneath left elbow. Bend both elbows. Back of the hands face each other, or palms come together, or just grab either shoulder if this is difficult for you. Find your drishti. Lift those elbows, press the hands away, shoulders down. Good, inhale. Exhale, release, sweep the arms up. Inhale. Exhale, come down to Uttanasana, forward fold. Good. Inhale, come up for a half lift. Exhale, plant the hands down in front of the feet. Step or jump back to plank. Mudra Vinyasa. Inhale, plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra or Up Dog. Exhale, Down Dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Good. I got inhale here in Down Dog. Exhale, drop those knees down, bring those knees close together. We'll sit the hips back towards the heels and let those arms rest alongside either leg as we fold down over the knees for this more restorative version of child's pose. Good, we'll take an inhale. Exhale, shift your weight forward and then come down to a seat. We'll find a balancing bound angle pose. So to do balancing bound angle, we're going to grab either foot as we balance on the sit bones, wrapping the hands around the feet. If this doesn't work for you, you could do regular bound angle pose. Just letting the feet rest on the ground. Good. Finding your balance here. Make sure that back is nice and straight. If you want to add a little more, you could grab the outside edges of the feet, extend those legs to straight. Good. Take an inhale. Exhale, bring those feet together. Let's use the hands to help bring the knees together. Feet flat on the ground. And then we'll make our way down to our back. Hugging our knees into our chest, rocking side to side. Good. From here, take a big inhale, squeeze yourself into a ball, inhale, hold. Exhale, release to Savasana. Feet reaching towards the bottom corners of your mat, arms rest at your sides, palms facing up. Or if you have a more comfortable position or you want to be seated, feel free. Let's come back to the breath here. Take a deep inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Second deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. One more deep inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Good. Come back to your natural breath again. Letting your body relax after all the hard work you just did. Letting your body be heavy as it sinks down into your mat. And while you're here, I'll say some affirmations to you, which you can repeat silently to yourself or aloud. I am balanced and grounded. I adjust when I need to and return to my center. I bring my focus to the present. If you'd like to stay here longer, I invite you to pause this video now. Otherwise, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, coming back into your body, back into the room. And if you're laying down, roll to your favorite side using your arm as a pillow as we take a moment here to reflect on our practice and to extend gratitude towards ourselves for doing something good for our mind, our body, and our spirit today. And if you're not already there, go ahead and make your way up to a comfortable seat once again. And together we'll sweep the arms up overhead. Inhale, let the hands meet. Exhale, float them down to heart center. Namaste. Okay guys, thank you for joining me for day 15 of the Triple R challenge. 2 weeks in. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this practice and how you are feeling about the challenge so far. As I mentioned earlier, if you like this outfit, you can find it on my Amazon storefront, which is linked below. There's also a link down there to my meditation album with soothing soundscapes. My voice is on there. My Patreon is down there as well, where we're tapping into sensual and feminine yoga. And there's a link about joining my channel as a member if you'd like access to exclusive and longer videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. See you soon. Peace and love.